Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to mark a conversation or a message as unread on the Skype application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Go to the chats section by clicking on the first icon down below. Now select one of your contacts and swipe to the left side of the screen next to their name and tap on the three dots icon. Here you should press the button mark as unread. And as you can see, it appeared as a new message that you haven't read yet. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.